I know the one thing that you've wanted to see forever on the channel again. My Honda Magna runs! For now. Alright. Feels like I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. I feel like my beard has grown in this video. So, it's taken me quite a while to get to this point in time. I don't know how I'm putting this video together yet because it's taken me so freaking long to get this done, and it shouldn't have. So, sit rep right now. Front brakes bled after, I don't know, for some reason it took me a while to get the air out of the system. I don't know why. I had my vacuum bleeder and everything. I'm going to put as many clips into, I just rebuilt the Masters. So, that's why we're here. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for being here. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I'm Mole. I'm crazy. So, here's my clutch master cylinder. Also, bled. So, hydraulic systems back up and running. So we're charging the battery up, or just giving it a little top up. I'm double checking a few other things, fluids. There was a couple little electrical connectors for like the clutch switch, brake switch. I had to fix a couple connectors on there. So, Master's been rebuilt. We're topping up the battery. I'm checking out the last couple things. We're gonna put some air in the tires. So, as I end my ramble, we're going to get that done really fast. I'll show you some more time-lapsing and back in time, because I've probably been filming this video for like a month, just behind the scenes there for a second. So, it's actually, as you just see, it's just really bright outside, but it's actually a pretty nice day. So whether I get this piece of junk out on the road, or I just get out on the V-Strom. I'm going to go out for a little ride here for a little bit. But let's stop rambling and jump back into the Magna. Alright. It works. I don't see any major leaks. I should probably check how much gas is in it before I just take off on this thing with no gas gauge. Alright, I'm going to put all the stuff on. I'm going to change my clothes. We'll be right back. After these messages. No, there's no messages. I'm sorry about that. Let her warm up for just a minute. Oh, it's so weird compared to the V-Strom. Oh man, it is really weird. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. I have to get used to this damn little bike. It's so tiny in comparison. Oh my god, it's so different. This is hilarious. Alright, do I got brakes? Feels like it. At least front ones. The rear are drum brakes, so. Alright. It's so different. Sorry, I'll put it down for you guys. I gotta remember to do math. My mirrors are nowhere where they're supposed to be. I'm not looking at the road. Give me one moment. Woo! Everything seems to be working. I have no idea what gear I'm in. The seating position is the weirdest compared to my V-Strom, which I've been riding for 2 years now. It's windy today. Brake positioning's a little off. Sorry, there's a lot of wind noise in comparison once again to my V-Strom. It's also windy out today. This is the Deary section, so we're gonna slow down a little bit. There's no one behind us. All right, we're back on the Magna, everybody. I put my visor up if it sounds different, because it's a nice day. This is an odd experience after about 1.5 years. I'm not riding this thing, but it's riding really nice. I rebuilt the front forks. I have a new stator cover gasket. Obviously, a new brake and clutch master. Seem to be working all right so far. Oh, we're gonna have to figure out what gear we're in now. There's so much less wind protection on this bike compared to the V-Strom. It's a stark difference. I also got to suck my elbows in to see out the back. This is going to be an interesting video. Oh, my left turn signal does work. Oh, that was neutral. Oh, I can reach the ground. That's also weird. Ergonomics definitely need to be messed with. My levers are way too high for my fingers, but here we are, folks. I know the one thing that you've wanted to see forever on the channel again. My Honda Magna runs! For now. Oh, yep, temp gauge is coming up. I forgot how small this thing is in comparison to my V-Strom. Wow, the right turn signal worked on the first try. We definitely are not going to have a... Once again, I don't know what gear I'm in anymore. I'm too used to having a gear indicator. I think we're gonna head down towards the Fort Custer. I think. Do we want to go that way? Yeah, that's where I used to ride this thing all the time. Okay, I would say that should be first. Sorry folks, I think you're hitting my shoulders. Do math for my speed. I forgot. It's like 20% off. So I'm actually supposedly only going like 40 right now, which probably is true. Alright, I'm going to turn you guys off. We'll get back together when I get closer to Fort Custer. Alright everybody, well my GoPro died, so I'm going to film this on my phone, but I'm going to kind of wrap up the video here. I think Magna's running. I'll get hopefully a little more video of it running on the road here for you guys, if I haven't already shown you that. But finally the Magna's back up and running, so just came out here to Fort Custer, say hi to the family. And yeah, I'll tell you, it's a different experience, that's for sure. But thanks for being here on the channel. Finally got some content out to you guys, and we'll see you next time. Peace.